big picture with computer vision and AI is we have all of these techniques that are now very robust and very powerful. And what Oak One and Oak D do is give you a platform that you can work into a finished product that does all this.
When OpenCV was started 20 years ago, the combination of computer vision and artificial intelligence was barely an idea. Not anymore. In celebration of OpenCV's 20th anniversary, we're proud to introduce the OpenCV AI Kit, consisting of a series of hardware modules and a new library built to move spatial computing forward. Oak unlocks incredible potential for computer-assisted perception. It's open source, and it is already being used to solve problems in the real world. With the OpenCV AI Kit, you can automatically remove the bad onions from a harvest, teach autonomous vehicles how to navigate, help people with masks and social distancing, or even help harvest precious metals from the ocean floor.
We could just get to work experimenting with combining the power of computer vision with the power of holographic light field display.
The Oak hardware modules come in two variants, Oak One and Oak D. Oak One is a tiny but mighty 4K camera with a lot of power, and Oak D ups the ante with stereo cameras for 3D depth capabilities.
Depth perception with artificial intelligence is like a cheat mode for solving all sorts of problems.
Out of the box, Oak comes with incredibly powerful neural networks that allow developers to detect and track almost anything in 2D and 3D space. With a few lines of code, you can run multi-stage processing and pass off detection and re-identification results to other included networks, like pose estimation, facial landmark detection, optical character recognition, and semantic segmentation. You can even use free online tools to train your own networks. Not only that, the OpenCV AI Kit is the most affordable, complete spatial AI system in the world. In fact, many of the individual components would cost more than either Oak One or Oak D during this campaign. That's right, it's not a typo. Oak One is just $79 and Oak D just $129 for early birds. Regular campaign prices are $99 and $149, which is still a savings of 50% off MSRP.
With the OpenCV AI Kit, you can finally build a product using Myriad X, which is huge.
The backbone of OAK's advanced features is the Myriad X. This powerful VPU leaves your host operating system completely free for other business logic. Since Oak runs artificial intelligence locally, there's no need for a cloud upload. Since it's open source, you can see everything Oak does. With great power comes a great programming interface. The Oak API, in addition to OpenCV, allows for beginner-level control of both of these boards, but also allows much deeper access for professional implementations.
This is not just a good camera for companies who are trying to build smart cameras. It is a great camera for people who want to learn about spatial AI and edge AI.
Oak also brings a new visual pipeline builder. Arrange computer vision and AI workflows using a node-based editor that includes previews, so you can be sure your inferences and CV functions are behaving as expected. Oak One and Oak D are both FCC and CE certified, and were built with an easy path to productization in mind.
Research papers, contests, robotics, startups. We want to see it. Blow us away.
20 years ago, combining computer vision and artificial intelligence was barely an idea. With the OpenCV AI Kit, it's an idea you can hold in your hand and combine with your own ideas to make something brand new. We can't wait to see what you do with it.